The path to our dreams is often paved with obstacles and uncertainties. It's easy to feel lost or discouraged when faced with setbacks and challenges. Yet, within each of us lies an extraordinary power, a wellspring of creativity and potential waiting to be unleashed. Just imagine a life where you effortlessly manifest your deepest desires, where abundance and joy flow freely. This isn't wishful thinking. It's a reality within your grasp. Our minds are extraordinary. They're not just tools for thinking and analyzing, they're powerful creators of our reality. When we engage our imagination, we're not just daydreaming, we're actively shaping our world. Think of your brain as a universe of its own, brimming with billions of neurons that communicate through complex electrical signals. These signals create a symphony of thoughts, emotions, and images that make up our inner world. And what's truly remarkable is that this inner world has the power to influence our outer reality. When we focus our thoughts and feelings on a particular outcome, we create a blueprint in our minds. This blueprint, a vibrant tapestry woven from our imagination, becomes a magnet for attracting similar experiences into our lives. It's like planting a seed in the fertile ground of our consciousness, nurturing it with attention and intention, and watching it blossom into reality. The science behind this is fascinating. Studies have shown that when we visualize a specific outcome, our brains activate the same neural pathways as if we were actually experiencing it. This means that our bodies and minds don't distinguish between a vividly imagined experience and a real one. This is why athletes use visualization to improve their performance, and why patients undergoing medical treatment can benefit from imagining themselves healing. Researchers have also discovered a phenomenon called the placebo effect, where the mere belief in a treatment can trigger a real physiological response. This demonstrates the incredible power of our minds to influence our bodies and our overall well-being. But the influence of imagination doesn't stop there. It extends to our relationships, our careers, our finances, and every aspect of our lives. When we hold a clear and positive vision of what we want to achieve, we naturally begin to take actions that align with that vision. We become more focused, more determined, and more resourceful. It's about recognizing that we are not passive observers, but active participants in shaping our own destiny. The possibilities are limitless. When we understand how our brains work and how to leverage the power of imagination, we open ourselves up to a world of infinite potential. We can break free from limiting beliefs, overcome obstacles, and achieve extraordinary things. Let's unlock the power of your imagination with a simple, step-by-step approach to manifestation. First, find a quiet and comfortable space where you won't be disturbed. Close your eyes, take a few deep breaths, and allow your mind to settle. Now, bring to mind the specific outcome you desire. See it in your mind's eye as clearly as possible. What does it look like? What sounds do you hear? What sensations do you feel? Engage all your senses as you create a vivid mental picture of your desired reality. See yourself already living that life, already achieving that goal. Feel the joy, the excitement, the gratitude that comes with having already achieved it. The more real you can make this vision, the more powerful it will be. This isn't just about thinking positive thoughts. It's about immersing yourself in the experience of your desire, feeling it as if it's already happening. This is where the magic happens. By focusing on the positive emotions associated with your desire, you raise your vibration and align yourself with the frequency of your dream. You become a magnet for the experiences, people, and opportunities that will help you manifest it into reality. So go ahead and let yourself daydream. Allow yourself to fully experience the joy of your desired outcome. While the power of imagination is immense, there are a few common pitfalls that can sabotage your manifestation efforts. One of the biggest mistakes is holding on to limiting beliefs. These are negative thoughts or doubts that tell you you're not good enough, not worthy, or not capable of achieving your dreams. Another common obstacle is lack of clarity. If your vision isn't clear and specific, it's like trying to hit a target in the dark. Take the time to really define what you want and why you want it. Get crystal clear on the details, the emotions, and the impact it will have on your life. Recall that manifestation isn't about forcing things to happen. It's about aligning your thoughts, feelings, and actions with your desires. It's about trusting the process and allowing yourself to receive the abundance that the universe has in store for you. With a little practice and patience, you'll be amazed at what you can create. Just like any muscle, your imagination can be strengthened and honed with practice. One powerful way to do this is through activities that encourage creative expression. Pick up a paintbrush, write a poem, or learn to play a musical instrument. These activities not only ignite your imagination, but also allow you to explore new facets of yourself. Another effective technique is to spend time in nature. The natural world is a constant source of inspiration, with its endless variety of colors, textures, and sounds. Take a walk in the park, hike through the woods, or simply sit by a river and observe the beauty around you. As you immerse yourself in nature's wonders, your mind will naturally expand and your imagination will soar. Additionally, practices like meditation and journaling can be invaluable for cultivating a rich inner world. Meditation helps you to quiet your mind, connect with your intuition, and access deeper levels of creativity. Journaling allows you to express your thoughts and feelings freely, uncovering hidden desires and sparking new ideas. Recall that there's no one-size-fits-all approach to enhancing your imagination. Experiment with different activities and find what resonates with you. The key is to be open, curious, and willing to play. As you nurture your imagination, you'll discover a whole new world of possibilities within yourself. If you like what you're seeing, please consider subscribing. It's free and keeps you updated with the latest videos. On your journey to manifesting your dreams, you may encounter obstacles and setbacks. You may face doubts, fears, and limiting beliefs that try to hold you back. It's important to recall that these challenges are a natural part of the process. They are not signs of failure, but opportunities for growth. When doubts creep in, acknowledge them without judgment. Recognize that they are simply thoughts, not truths. Then, gently challenge them with positive affirmations and empowering beliefs. Remind yourself of your strengths, your resilience, and your unwavering determination to succeed. Surround yourself with supportive people who believe in you and your dreams. Share your aspirations with them, seek their encouragement, and celebrate your successes together. Recall that you are not alone on this journey. There are countless others who have overcome similar challenges and achieved their goals. And most importantly, don't give up. The path to success is rarely a straight line. There will be twists and turns, ups and downs. But if you stay focused on your vision, remain committed to your goals, and trust in the power of your imagination, you will ultimately triumph. Belief is the cornerstone of manifestation. It's the unwavering faith that your dreams are not only possible, but inevitable. When you truly believe in something, you open yourself up to receiving it. Your belief acts as a powerful magnet, drawing your desires closer to you. It's like planting a seed and having unwavering faith that it will grow into a beautiful flower. You nurture it with care, water it with positive energy, and trust that nature will do its work. Similarly, when you believe in your ability to manifest your dreams, you create a fertile ground for them to flourish. Your expectations also play a crucial role. What you expect to happen often does. If you expect to succeed, you're more likely to take the necessary steps to make it happen. If you expect abundance, you'll start noticing opportunities that were always there, but you were too blind to see them before. Cultivating a positive mindset is key. Focus on what you want, not what you lack. Celebrate your successes no matter how small they may seem. And most importantly, trust yourself. Trust that you have the power to create the life you desire. Imagination alone is not enough. It's the spark that ignites the fire, but action is the fuel that keeps it burning. Once you've set your intention and visualized your desired outcome, it's time to take inspired action. This means aligning your actions with your goals. If you want to start a business, take the first step by researching your market or creating a business plan. If you want to improve your health, Start by making healthier food choices or incorporating exercise into your routine. Recall that action doesn't have to be grand or dramatic. It can be as simple as making a phone call, sending an email, or taking a class. The key is to do something, no matter how small, that moves you closer to your goal. As you take action, pay attention to the signs and synchronicities that appear along the way. These are often messages from the universe, guiding you in the right direction. Trust your intuition, follow your heart, and don't be afraid to course correct as needed. Taking action not only propels you towards your goals, but also strengthens your belief in yourself and the manifestation process. It's a tangible reminder that you are capable, resourceful, and worthy of achieving your dreams. Your mind is a canvas, and your imagination is the brush. With it, you can paint the masterpiece of your life. By understanding the science behind imagination, mastering the technique, and cultivating a mindset of belief and action, you hold the key to unlocking your full potential and creating a life you truly love. This isn't just about wishful thinking. It's about harnessing a real, tangible power that resides within you. So take the first step. Dare to dream big. Visualize your goals with unwavering clarity. Feel the emotions of already having them, and then take inspired action. As you do, watch as your reality begins to shift, aligning with your desires. The life you've always dreamed of is within reach. It all starts with the power of your imagination. If this video resonated with you, please show your support by giving it a thumbs up. And if you're ready to dive deeper into the world of manifestation, be sure to subscribe to our channel for more inspiring content and practical tips.